So the biggest difference is if you joint venture with somebody, then that person have active role and they have decision making power. So you JV with somebody and you want to sell the property, but your JV partner doesn't. Well, guess what? They're on the deed. You cannot sell it if unless they sign also. Around 1984, SEC and the legislation was passed, which gave a Reg D exclusion, where if you made one of these two exclusion, then you do not need to report financials to SEC. You can do private, and on public side, I don't think there is an exclusion. So if you're public, but it's a public security and listed on an exchange, you do not have that exclusion. This exclusion is only for the private offerings where you're offering one-on-one. Now, some people get a little confused between a JV and a private offering where you sell the shares. So the biggest difference is if you joint venture with somebody, then that person have active role and they have decision making power. So you JV with somebody and you want to sell the property, but your JV partner doesn't. Well, guess what? They're on the deed. You cannot sell it if unless they sign also. Whereas when you offer securities, they own small percentage and they do not have a say in buy or sell of the property. As the manager, you decide. Now, as a best practice, like when we come to a point where we're going to sell or refinance, make a major decision, we always communicate to our investors. Communication transparency is the biggest cornerstone of relationship and trust. So we always still communicate that, hey, this happened, we got this offer, or we think we can get this offer, we're going to sell. If we sell at this, we expect this much return. And if anybody have questions or objections, please reach out to us. Even legally, nobody can say, hey, you will not sell. As managers, we have the right to make that decision. So those two exclusions, the Reg D, Schedule D, 506B and 506C, 506B and C are two subsets of the Regulation D. So B is for friends and family only, where you need to have substantive relationship with them.
Everything that you need to know, what you need to become a real estate investor, we have it done for you. So click on the link in the comments below and we'll share all that data with you.